Good day, YouTube. All right, so today we got an unboxing to do. So before I start the unboxing, I just want to explain to you guys that I live in an apartment, and so working on a vehicle here, one of the challenges that I have is actually using power tools. I don't have an AC plug outlet here in my parking spot, so then I have to find alternative ways of using power tools. So one of the things that I was thinking about is actually putting an inverter in my truck so that way I can run power tools. Problem with that is I'm gonna have to use a pretty big inverter. Now, don't get me wrong, I am gonna get an inverter eventually so that when I'm doing my overlanding or if I'm doing my wheeling, I'm able to operate pretty much anything. The other alternative that I went to, it was actually using battery powered tools. Makita is the brand that I prefer, and they have a impact wrench. Let's take a look at it. All right, here we go. It's the Makita brushless 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench. Product number is right here. Delta Tango Whiskey 1002 Zulu. All right, so this thing is actually really good. It runs off the 18-volt batteries, which I already have. I have a 3 amp and also a 4 amp batteries. When looking at an impact wrench, you want to know what the tightening and the bolt busting, as they call it, torque. This one over here is for 740 foot-pounds of torque. I don't think it has the bolt busting torque. It's running around, I think, 1128 foot-pounds of torque. So it's just a little over 1100 foot-pounds of torque, which is really good. Working on vehicles, like taking off my wife's tires. We're gonna be switching over to snow tires soon, so that's gonna help me out a lot. So let's open up the box and take a look at the actual tool. Man, it's a little difficult doing this with one hand. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so I have not opened this. I actually waited to share with you guys this experience. So, oh. Look at that. Okay, let's not get into that tool exactly right away. Open up the material, pull out the material. So we have our instruction manual as well as this right here. This pretty much comes with all Makita tools so that you can see, you know, exactly what you want to get. Oh, look, even some gear. I like that vest. Some nice tools. Anyways, okay, so again, you have your instruction manuals, and then you have your warranty card. I'm also gonna go online and I'm gonna register this for the warranty. That's what we got. We have the huge clip. I thought this maybe it was a clip, a belt clip, but this looks like it's bigger. And then we got the tool itself. Oh, this thing's heavy, man. This thing is huge. Let me do a comparison. My wife's rim is 17 inches. Look, that's how big it is. And it's heavy. All right, so we got the two holes over here where that clip's gonna go into. Also, I don't know if you guys can see it. There is, I guess, like a torque spec. So it's a 3-speed, high, medium, and low torque. Let's put a socket on here. Take off the tire, see how it does. All right, so I got my 17 mil socket on here to take off this tire. I have the car jacked up. I did not loosen them at all. Usually what I have to do is I use my breaker bar while the tire's on the ground. Use the breaker bar to break free the lug nuts. Then I use my impact driver, not this, my impact driver to take out the bolts. But we're gonna see if this thing is able to take off the bolts without using the breaker bar. So, let's give it a shot, see what happens. I'm not gonna lie, I'm hoping that this will work. All right, here we go. Put it in reverse. Wow, like it was nothing. That's insane. Now mind you, I'm not like most mechanics. When I do put my lugs in here, I do torque them down to spec to what they're supposed to be. I don't over torque them, but still, holy mac, without any effort. Okay, so I got the key for the lock nut. like I was saying, on the third one. So you press this button to go to easy, medium, and then full strength. All right, so let me do what I gotta do over here so that way we can put the lugs back on and then test out the tightening. Mind you, like I said, this is good for 740 foot-pounds of torque. So far, I'm really liking this impact gun. It is now time to put the wheel back on the car. Okay, so before I go on with this, I don't know if you guys can see this. Oh, hold on. You see that movement there at the bottom of the base? Look right here. Right there. So basically what that is this is all rubber underneath here. It's actually to reduce the vibrations to the battery, so that way the battery is not disturbed. This is a smart battery, and that's just the level of care that Makita has right here. So I have the bolts here just holding up the tire. I'm just going to torque it down. I think it has a lot of torque. Holy. Oh man, this is an awesome addition to my tools. Really happy with this. One thing I didn't tell you guys is that there's actually 2 LED lights right there, so it helps you see. Oh man, I'm really happy with this. As you can see, that this is actually part of the LXT line. Alright, so this was a super short video. I just wanted to show you guys the new tool that I purchased. As I said, this will help me a lot when I'm working on my vehicles down here in the basement where I don't have AC. And at the same time, I'm slowly gathering tools so I can be mobile when I need to fix my vehicles. Like, who knows, you never know what happens when we go out wheeling, and I might be able to fix it while we're out there. So that's super important to me and also to the people that I wheel with. As I keep saying, I'm really happy with this tool, and definitely no buyer's regret. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the thumbs up. Remember to hit that bell icon so you get post notifications of whenever new videos get posted. Alright, until the next time, stay safe. Who knows, maybe I'll see you out there. Not bad. Maybe I can change tires like the Formula 1 guys do. Just go be like... Slow. That's okay.